subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hi, hello, and welcome to Distraction Roots. Yes, you can see I am among the tea plantations. Who wouldn't love this site and who wouldn't like to stay among the tea plantations? Everyone passing by tea plantation, they stop and get in and take photos. Can you imagine staying among these tea plantation? It would be wonderful. Yes, who wouldn't like to stay among tea plantations? And if you are looking for a tea plantation stay or something like that, yes, I have the answer for you. Yes, it is right up there. I am in front of Tea Forest Resort, Wayanad. This is the beautiful plantation resort that is here, and I would go around and show you guys. Yes, this is the resort that I was talking about. This is Tea Forest, and as the name suggests, it is in the tea forest. You can see both sides you have tea plantations. So after this pool area, we have these stairs going up towards the cottages. Yes, as I go higher, I can have a great view of these tea plantations, and to my right are the cottages. So I will go towards the right and show. And here there is the stay area or an evening stay area. Or a watchtower, you can call it. There are some carom boards and something like that. You can have a great game of carom board sitting here among the nature. This is the view from here. I can get a great view of the tea plantations here and the hills behind that. So this is the view from here, and walking forward I will move into the cottages. Look at that, how beautiful it is. So as I told, if you want to walk into the tea plantations, you have stairs here directly from the cottages. You can just go down into this and just have a walk, great walk into these tea plantations. This would be fantastic. Look at that. You can just walk out of your room and directly go into the tea plantations. That is really amazing and wonderful. So let's go into the rooms and see how it is. So these are cottages, and as I walk in, I have one cottage on the left and one on the right. So the right side one, wow, it's pretty huge and pretty decent. Look at that. It's a double cot bed, but it is a king size bed. And this side we have a TV with all the channels available, and the ceiling is wooden ceiling, and you have a fan there, and then a mirror for dressing table, and also a pretty decent cupboard to keep all your stuff there. As I walk into the bathroom, let me see how is it. Let's switch on the lights. Yeah, oh wow, look at this bathroom. This kind of a bathroom, I have never seen it anywhere. Look at this size of it. You can just take bath. 10 people at a time can take bath. Such a lavish bathroom. Oh my god, really beautiful and really wonderful. You have the commode here, you have the wash basin here, and you can have a lavish bath here under the shower here. You have a heater here. Look at the size, look at the size of this bathroom. I'm standing here and look how huge it is. So we'll go into the next room. This is also a same cottage as the other one I showed. I'll just show around, and there's a different kind of a wardrobe here or the cupboard, and this bathroom also is pretty huge. So these cottages, both these cottages have very big bathrooms, and they are really beautiful. They have TV for entertainment, there is fan and everything, and these curtains are really nice. This is all about the cottages. So we will move into the other smaller cottages that is available. These are for couple cottages, and the best part that I liked is here you can sit here and have this great view of the tea plantations. So now I'll continue on the same pathway that I went towards the other cottage, and I will move to the cottages, the smaller cottages on this side. So there are 4 rooms available here, 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side, and there are other 2 couple lavish rooms there. That is what I covered right now. So let's go into the room and check how it is. So as we walk into the rooms, this is the first room on the left side that we have here. This is a very good sit out area. If you want a chair, you can ask them. You can put a chair here, sit out and see what you are able to see from your sit out, just around 2 to 3 feet away. Yes, these are tea plantations. It's pretty cool here, and we'll enter the room and see how it is. This is the first room that I'm entering on this side of the cottage. Yes, wonderfully made, and the lightings are really nice. The ambience inside is very good. You have a table there with 2 chairs for you to sit around. The double cot bed is pretty good. Also you have a TV. I love the artwork inside. The bottles are pretty good, and also the interior designing that they have done is very nice. The interiors here is just like as if they have done with bricks and all that. So, and there is a photo out there, a nice painting I believe. And then as we come in, the TV for the entertainment, the interior works, it continues. There is this big cupboard and a mirror. If you want to do dressing, you have this mirror, and also you have the cupboard here in order to keep your stuff. And now let me enter into the bathroom and check how the bathroom is. Wow. Let me switch on the lights. The designs of the tiles are pretty good. There's a big shower here. There's a commode here, and then you have the wash basin there. So it's right behind the door, and this is the wash basin commode, and you also have a water heater in case you want hot water. So let's move from here and go into the next room and check out how it is. So I got out and I'm walking to the first floor. It's a very good resort. The rooms are really nice. I love the first 2 cottages, and you have tea plantations everywhere behind also. That's really wonderful. So let me go into the rooms and look at these lightings. When it is lit up, it should be really beautiful. They have done it in a very nice way, actually, the lightings. So once it is night, it will be really beautiful. And now you can see in the fog slightly coming down. You tell Koda is coming down in Malayalam. This goes up to the dormitory. So let me go up and see how the dormitory is. So I've reached here into the dormitory. Wow, the lighting is really nice. The sunlight falling into this place is really beautiful and wonderful. This is the dormitory we have here. I think you can accommodate around 10 people easily. You have bathrooms here for the dormitory. So let me check how the bathrooms are for the dormitory. We have pretty decent bathroom, yeah, for a dormitory. We have a mirror here, a hand wash, the commode, but there is no shower here. I think there was a hand shower, but it was being removed, maybe for maintenance. So it's a pretty decent bathroom for a dormitory. So the view from here, when I move the curtain, wow, this is the view that I get from the rooms here. What else can you ask of? Even in a dormitory, you have this wonderful, beautiful view here. which is more than enough, a pretty decent, a wonderful view. So next, my destination is over there. I want to go up there and see how it is and how lovely the view is. It should be really amazing and cool. And this dormitory is really kept clean, and it is one of the best dormitories I have seen. You have glass all around, so if you move all the curtains, you will have a great view. I will move all the curtains and show you how the view is. Look at that. As I move, here also you have the swimming pool view and all that when I move the curtains. Look at that. So if I don't want these curtains, I just move them away and I sleep. Imagine you are like in a glass room in the middle of the tea plantation. That is how the feel you would get from here. In case you are a honeymoon couple, no need to worry at all. You can just call them and inform them when you are making the booking. They will be providing you with all the services. They will be providing you with a flower bed, a special cake, and also on request they will be providing you a candlelight dinner on top of this tower among this tea plantations. So you can imagine how wonderful it will be and how beautiful it will be. And I personally would love to be there on a candlelight dinner, and it will be really fantastic. Besides this pool, as I come here, we have this campfire and barbecue area. So as I told you earlier, in case you want to have a walk in the tea plantations, you can just go and get down into the tea plantations and have a great walk here. And yes, I am walking through the tea plantations. This is what the Tea Forest Resort offers for you. A beautiful walk freely among the tea plantations and among this beautiful nature and all the fog and mist that will be here. Early mornings will be wonderful and pretty cool. Wow, look at the view from here. This is the viewing tower. They have made it around a tree, and they have plans of making this as a tree house also in the future. This resort is really amazing, and once you are here, you will be able to feel all that, or you will be able to enjoy all that I saw right now. And it's really nice, and this resort is in Wayanad. So I will put all the details of the resort and also the contact number. So in case you guys want to come, you can contact that number and make the book. Come over here and enjoy all that is in store for you here. And I will just once again finally show you the view from here, how it is. It is mind-blowing among these tea plantations and the forest. So that's it from Tea Forest Resort. Until I see you guys with yet another exciting video, it's bye and Tom signing off.